what's up YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to show you a nice option to be able to put on your door to cover up holes or protect it from getting punctured, like this situation right over here, or even this situation right over here. This home was built back in 1998, and as you can see here, it's had better days. These wall protectors do its job, and you can actually put these on doors or even your wall to protect it from getting punctured or damaged. They do come in this square shape here and also in a circle. If you want it in different sizes, I'll leave a link down in the description below for you so you can check out the different sizes. This is a 2" by 2". I've seen 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch, and even 4 inches, depending on what kind of size you're trying to cover. So I'm going to use this piece right here. It's actually a door bumper or door stopper. It actually has some built-in 3M double back taping on the back of it, and these can actually be painted on. So I plan on putting them right over here, right over the spot, like right about there. And I'm going to go ahead and tap out this pin right here and replace these little bumpers right here so that it can bang against here. I was planning on replacing this door, but they run around $65 to $85 to replace. And you can also repair this spot right here, but it's gonna be weak still. So I found this to be the best option here. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like after I replace this one and this one right over here. As you can see, this one right here is still good because this is actually an HVAC door, so it doesn't get used as much as a traditional closet door or even a pantry door does. So you can see how it would usually start out like this with a little dent, and eventually it'd keep on getting banged up until it looks like this. And I've already taken off the protective film on the back, and I'm going to go ahead and stick the sticky part right on the back of this door right here. So I'm gonna line it up right about there and cover that hole. Just like that. And we're all done. Let me zoom back so you can see what it looks like. All right, I'm gonna show you what it looks like after the install. It only took about 5 minutes to install these and replace the door stopper and install the wall protector. So this wall protector I installed over this hole here. You already saw how it looked before. It had a hole in this one. As you can see here, it's nice and covered up. And I went ahead and installed one on this one here, even though it didn't have a hole on it. And this is the one that looked the worst. So I replaced this piece here, which is the door stopper, and installed one of these right over here. And I'll show you how it works in action. I'm going to actually open up this door and show you where it hits. It's gonna hit it right there. You can see how it stops it really good. And I'll show you it up close. Right here, it lands right there. So I hope you enjoyed today's quick video. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, thank you for watching.